Now I have something new to show you. These are beautiful little purses. This one featuring the kingfisher and that beautiful turquoise in the centre. Now, these have been specially designed by request from some of you that you would like something to keep your beautiful face cover inside, so that when you put it into your bag, it can be kept safe. So these, specially made to fit the face cover, keep it safe. Here's the beautiful barn owl. There he is. Again, beautiful navy blue inside. Can machine wash if needed. And again, your face mask when you've popped into the shop. Now you've popped out, if you'd like to keep it safe, slides into your little purse. There we have it. We also have pheasant phoenix. Again, now if you wanted to, I've found you can fit more than two into one little pouch. So for instance, if I wanted to fit, I think up to 4 can fit into one little pouch. Like this. So you could have one pouch. I know that quite a few of you have got 4 different designs, but 4 fit happily inside one pouch. Tried 5, a bit too much, but 4 more than happy. So there we have pheasant phoenix, the raven. Raven's got 3 eyes, like Game of Thrones. There we have barn owl. And here we have kingfisher. So there they are. I'd love to know what you think.